Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pillow out of 2 placemats. Now let's get on with the video. So for this DIY, you're going to need 2 placemats of the same size, and they can be the same design or they can have 2 different designs. When you have 2 placemats you want to use for your pillow, you want to lay the back sides of the placemats together, and make sure you have both of them rotated the same way when you flip it over. Then you want to lift up the placemat on top, and then you want to take hot glue and put glue on the seam that's on the back of the bottom placemat, just like how I did here. Then you can press the placemats together and make sure you match them up the way you want them to. You want to do this all the way around, but you need to leave a big enough opening so you can fill it later with a pillow insert or with pillow stuffing, and make sure you're careful because the glue is hot. After you're done gluing the pillow, and when the glue is dry, you want to fill the pillow with either a pillow insert or a pillow stuffing, or you can put both of them inside. I decided to use both. I used the pillow stuffing to stuff the corners and the sides, and I used the pillow insert for a majority of the pillow. When you're done stuffing the pillow, you can glue the opening shut by putting hot glue on the bottom placemat, and then you can place a top placemat on it. When the glue is dry, you're all done. And if you use 2 different placemats, just like how I did, you can flip the pillow every other day. And that's how you make a pillow out of placemats. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this pillow. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!